Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. So you can do it by using, for example, the browser, messages, notes, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then let's enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, 3 dots icon, and they will appear right there. So let's tap on the settings, tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which you can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. Of course, if you don't want to scroll, you can simply enter this search icon, search area, and enter the name of the language you'd like to find. Let me find the order language. Let's tap on it. And of course, sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap. Here we've got kind of keyboard layouts or keyboard modes from which we can choose, and depending on the language you will be able to pick from even up to 7 different layouts. So let's pretend I want to use this one. Let me mark it and untick this option because I do not need it. So let's tap on done. And as you can see, the order language has been applied. So we've got 2 different languages right now. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we've got the new icon, the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the order one. After tapping on it again, we've got again English, and here we've got also the second difference, so the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. Of course, we can also remove the languages because sometimes you don't really need 2 or 3 languages, you just want to have one. So let's enter the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon. Now you can mark the language you'd like to remove and trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English again, and we do not have this globe icon, and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we can only type in English, kind of. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.